Large meals distend the stomach, causing mechanical reflux. Caffeine weakens the lower esophageal sphincter. Cold water can trigger esophageal spasms and throat sensitivity. Mouth breathing can dry out the throat and increase sensitivity. Allergens can create a lot of inflammation and mucus production. Ignoring reflux triggers can cause a lot of irritation, inflammation, and mucus production. Menthol lozenges can really dry out the throat and cause increased sensitivity over time. Postnasal drip can contain inflammatory markers, irritating the throat and causing more throat clearing and mucus production. Stop making these throat clearing mistakes. Want expert tips on how to take care of your throat and your voice? Follow along for more tips and advice from a throat doctor who treats this daily.